Welcome to WebStarPress. How to add component specific whatever in head section of a web page in React.js. You need to add title, meta tags, scripts, styles in head section of web page. Sometimes you need external scripts to load in the component, such as scripts from Google Maps, Stripe, Facebook, reCAPTCHA, Discuss, PayPal, Twitter, chatbots, tracking codes, and more. You can do all of it by using a package helmet in React.js. This is the package React Helmet. You can install it by using this command npm I react-helmet. It is used like this: import helmet from React Helmet, and then we can use it here inside return helmet, meta tags, title, link tag. You can link CSS, you can add scripts in the component. So I've also used this command and installed this package in the app. React Helmet can also be used to dynamically inject CSS and JavaScript files in components. So to do that, at the top, import helmet from React Helmet, and then inside return, use helmet component. And inside this, we can use title, meta tags, we can link to CSS files, we can use JavaScript files, and it will affect only this component. I have added title, meta tags, and CSS file to this component. Let's see. So view page source, title Vite plus React. Nothing seems to be in the page source that we added. But let's see in the elements tab. Here we have got the title, updated title, and meta name description, then keywords that we added, and here is the style sheet animate.min.css that we added. These are here but not there. So this thing is working but not as expected. So why it doesn't appear in view source? So React Helmet dynamically injected title, meta, and other elements into the head of the document at runtime. As a result, we are unable to see these changes in the source of the page because they are not part of the original server-rendered HTML. Instead, these elements are added after the page loads. React applications render components dynamically in the browser. So, changes made by React Helmet only affect the live DOM. Unless using server-side rendering (SSR) with frameworks like Next.js or Gatsby, the HTML source doesn't reflect these runtime changes. If you want to see these changes in the initial HTML source for SEO or other purposes, consider using a framework that supports SSR, such as Next.js. Next.js includes SSR out of the box and can render head tags on the server. And Gatsby generates static HTML pages where title, meta, and other elements are part of the initial HTML. With React Helmet in a client-rendered React app, expect dynamic updates to the head, but only visible in the live DOM, not in the original HTML source. So, is React Helmet useless for SEO point of view then? You might think. Not exactly. React Helmet isn't entirely useless for SEO, but its effectiveness depends on how search engines handle JavaScript. Google, for example, can render JavaScript and typically does a good job of processing client-side rendered React apps, including changes made by React Helmet. Google's crawler renders the page after JavaScript has loaded, so it often sees the title, meta, and other head tags added by React Helmet. For Google specifically, React Helmet is usually sufficient. Some other less popular search engines and social media platforms may not render JavaScript as reliably as Google. For those, client-side modifications to meta tags are typically not processed, meaning they may not recognize the updated metadata in head, which could impact SEO or how links preview on social media. So these are few things to consider, but this is how you can use custom scripts, styles, meta in React.js. If you are using Next.js or Gatsby, React Helmet package is more effective. And one more thing, all of these will load only in head section of web page. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.